All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking about, do you need a wall of toolboxes to be a technician? All right, so simple answer is maybe not. Now we've got to make some distinctions. The independent world versus dealerships. And again, we're talking automotive technicians. We're not talking diesel, heavy equipment, any of that stuff. We're talking automotive. I'm no longer a diesel technician. I haven't been for a very long time. So I'm focusing on automotive. Do you need a wall of toolboxes? Now, as a dealership technician, probably not. One of the advantages of working as a dealership technician is you only need a limited amount of tools. Special tools, tool room. Now they may be broken and damaged, but they should have them. In the independent world, it's a different story. The shop may not buy special tools, so you're on your own. And that's where tool storage is needed. In the independent world, you're going to acquire lots of special tools. Tools designed for specific jobs that you're going to see every now and then. So it doesn't make sense to take this tool home, but on the other side of it, you may not need it often. So that's how you wind up with a wall of toolboxes. Not because you like spending money, but because you have a lot of tools that may not be needed on a daily basis, may not be needed on a monthly basis, but they may be needed several times a year. I have Injector Seal Kit for Volkswagens. Everyone in the shop uses that kit. Now my position as a shop foreman means that I have that tool so the shop can use it, and our boss is actually really good at buying special tools, but I bought it a while ago. We go through cycles where it gets used a bunch and then doesn't get used. You only need so many sockets and wrenches and that kind of stuff. How many different 12mm sockets do you need? In fact, most of my sockets that I use on a daily basis are not in these toolboxes. They're in my roll cart. But specialty stuff, inner tie rod end tool, just something I use on a daily basis? No. But when I need it, I need it. Toyota hub socket. Do I need this every day? No. But when I need it, I have it. And that's how you wind up needing a huge wall of toolboxes, is because you don't know what's going to come through the door. As an independent technician, one day you're working on a BMW, the next day you're working on a Toyota. Next day, Volkswagen, Audi, then Chevrolet, or behind the camera, Acura, Jeep. Got another Jeep over there I checked out earlier today, Chevrolet. Right now I've got a couple Jeeps in my name. Earlier today I had a couple Chevrolets in my name. It all depends on what you have as an independent technician, what you're going to need, what comes through the door. It changes significantly the amount of tools you need. Good or bad, it is what it is in the independent automotive repair world, is you're going to need more tools because you're going to see more makes and models. Starting out, definitely do not need this. Definitely do not. You need a good roll cart, small little toolbox for your bigger tools. That's what you need. Don't run out and buy one of these. In fact, this is 25 years of tool collecting. This isn't all my tools either. I've got a roll cart there and I've got stuff in storage. I'm just saying, you're not going to need this for the first couple years of your life as a technician. So make sure you look at it like that. This is the end game, not the beginning. The beginning, you don't need all these tools. You need hand tool sockets, stuff like that to actually fix cars. And any specialty tools, you go to the older guys in the shop, you respectfully borrow their tools, with their permission of course, to add to your tool collection over the years. You don't need to run out and buy all this stuff right now. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.